Nike continues to expand the Kobe Bryant line with both performance and lifestyle offerings. The brand has introduced popular on-court models like Caitlin Clark's Kobe 5 and the anticipated Total Orange Kobe 6 Protro. Off the court, Kobe-inspired Air Force Ones have added variety, while Mamba Offcourt Slides quietly build momentum. The newest slide, Triple Black, is the fourth release in the series, following Dodgers, Triple White, and Lightning colorways, all of which sold out quickly. With its snakeskin-textured upper, Kobe's sheath logo, and matching sole, the all-black design brings a sleek, versatile aesthetic. Backed by Vanessa Bryant's approval, the Kobe brand continues to thrive across categories. The Triple Black slide is expected to drop between July and September 2025 for $42.